Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to add people to a YouTube channel in a viewer role. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so for this tutorial, we're not going to use the YouTube application. As for the setting that we need, it's only accessible using the browser. And yes, it is accessible and originally made using the device's PC or laptop, but if you don't have those or it is out of reach and you want to do it using the mobile. Okay, so for the first step, we're just going to open the Microsoft Edge. And by the way, you can use whichever browser that you like as long as it has a desktop view or desktop mode of the site. But for this video, the one that I'm using is Microsoft Edge. Okay, so once you've opened the Microsoft Edge, all you have to do is to log in to your YouTube account. And once you've logged in, all you have to do is to head to the YouTube Studio. And once you've logged in and switched to YouTube Studio, you will see the same screen as I have. And yes, they do have an app for YouTube Studio, but you cannot add people to a YouTube channel in a viewer mode or viewer role using the application. That's why we're using the browser. And on here, all you have to do is to zoom in for a little bit and go to the lower left part of the page. And on here, you will see a gear icon, which is representing setting. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this prompt. As you can see, this is currently on the general tab. All you have to do is to zoom in for a little bit and switch to the permissions tab. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this screen. And as you can see, there is only one person listed that has a permission to my YouTube channel. Don't worry, you can add people. And you can do that by tapping on the invite button. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, all you have to do is to enter the email of the person that you'd like to add. And once you've typed in, all you have to do is to tap on the next box, which is labeled access. Let's go ahead and tap it. And as you can see, you have multiple options, but for this tutorial, we're only aiming to add people as viewer role. As you can see, it is located at the bottommost part of the options, and there are two types, viewer, and the second one is viewer limited. So the difference is explained at the subcontext, and for this video, I'll just use the standard viewer. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, just make sure that you've inputted the correct information, and once you've confirmed, all you have to do is to tap on done. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, you will see the email of the person that you've sent an invite to. As you can see, there on the role tab, you will see that that person is only a viewer. And once done here, all you have to do is to tap on save to save the changes and wait for the person to accept the invitation. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.